Big Brother 27 is heating up as the game moves into week 9, and fans are already buzzing over the latest head of household competition results and the shocking nominations that have left the houseguests scrambling. With alliances shifting, betrayals brewing, and personal vendettas coming to the surface, this week promises to be one of the most dramatic yet. As the dust settles on the whole competition, it's clear that the house dynamics have changed dramatically, forcing both veterans and newer players to rhythm their strategies. The identity of the Week 9 Who has been revealed, and their nominations are already creating a ripple of tension throughout the house. Viewer tuning in should brace themselves for a whirlwind of scheming, backstabbing, and unexpected game moves that could redefine the path to the final. The whole competition this week was a high-stakes event that tested both physical endurance and mental acuity, pushing houseguests to their limits. Fans were on the edge of their seats as each contestant gave their all, knowing that securing the whole position not only guarantees safety for the week but also provides the power to influence who faces eviction. After an intense and grueling battle, the winner emerged victorious, claiming the coveted title and the authority that comes with it. The moment was met with shock and excitement alike, as this week's Who is known for their unpredictable gameplay and cunning social strategy. The houseguests are now forced to navigate carefully, as one wrong move could make them a target for eviction or weaken their alliance ties. Once the Who was crowned, speculation immediately turned to who would be nominated for eviction. The stakes have never been higher, as houseguests are aware that each decision can make or break their game. In a move that stunned many fans, the Who made nominations that seemed to blend strategic gameplay with personal vendettas. The first nominee, widely regarded as a strong competitor with a loyal following in the house, is now facing the threat of elimination. This choice appears to be a tactical maneuver to weaken a powerful alliance and open opportunities for further strategic moves in the coming weeks. The second nominee, however, brings a different layer of complexity to the game. Known for their social game and ability to influence house dynamics, this houseguest's nomination has left both allies and rivals questioning the HOH's motivations. Some speculate that this pick is a calculated move to test loyalty within the house, while others believe it may be fueled by unresolved personal conflicts. Either way, the result is a high-stakes environment where alliances will be scrutinized, and houseguests will have to navigate their relationships carefully to avoid becoming the next target. Reactions within the house have been intense, with whispers of alliances crumbling and secret strategies being discussed behind closed doors. The nominated houseguests are already planning their next moves, seeking to secure votes for safety while attempting to turn the tables on their Who. Viewer can expect a week filled with tension, arguments, and strategic maneuvering as the nominees work to survive the eviction vote. The social dynamics are particularly fascinating this week, as relationships that appeared stable are now showing cracks under the pressure of high-stakes gameplay. Adding to the drama, rumors are swirling that the Who may have future plans that extend beyond this week's nominations. Insiders suggest that the Who is positioning themselves for a stronger hold on the game, potentially manipulating events to weaken key threats and secure their path to the final. This tactic has already been observed in previous weeks, and fans are eager to see how the strategy unfolds. The interplay between strategic gameplay and personal rivalries is at an all-time high, making Week 9 one of the most unpredictable yet in Big Brother 27 history. The impact of these nominations extends beyond the two houseguests on the block. Other contestants are now reassessing their positions and alliances, understanding that the HOH's choices could signal potential targets in future weeks. Houseguests who previously felt safe may now be reconsidering their strategies, trying to gauge where their loyalties lie and how to maneuver in a game that is becoming increasingly complex. This heightened tension is creating an atmosphere where trust is fragile, and every conversation could carry significant weight. Fans of Big Brother 27 have been particularly vocal on social media, sharing their reactions to the Week 9 nominations. Many are praising the bold moves by the Who, noting that these nominations have introduced an element of unpredictability that has been somewhat absent in earlier weeks. Others are expressing concern for the nominated houseguests, speculating on the potential consequences if they fail to secure safety. The mix of strategic gameplay, emotional drama, and unexpected twists continues to make Big Brother 27 a must-watch for reality TV enthusiasts. The upcoming week promises a flurry of events as the house guests adjust to the new power dynamics. The nominees will likely campaign aggressively for their safety, while the host may attempt to manipulate conversations and influence votes behind the scenes. With the power of veto competition on the horizon, there is still an opportunity for the nominees to change their fates, adding another layer of suspense to an already dramatic week. Every decision, alliance, and conversation will have the potential to shift the game, keeping both house guests and fans on high alert. Strategic experts and former contestants have weighed in on the nominations, offering predictions and analysis. Many highlight that the HOH's choices could be a long-term play aimed at eliminating strong competitors before they have the chance to gain more influence in the house. Others suggest that the host may be using these nominations as a test to gauge loyalty and sow seeds of doubt among allies. Regardless of the motivation, it is clear that Week 9 is a pivotal moment in Big Brother 27, with implications that could reverberate through the rest of the season. As the week progresses, viewers will also get a closer look at the personal dynamics that are shaping these nominations. Emotional confrontations, secret meetings, and strategic discussions are all expected to play out on screen, providing insight into the pressures and decision-making processes within the house. This combination of strategy and social interaction is what makes Big Brother a compelling watch, and Week 9 is exemplifying the delicate balance between gameplay and personal relationships. In conclusion, Big Brother 27 Week 9 is shaping up to be one of the most dramatic weeks of the season so far. The newly crowned host has made nominations that have shocked the house and set the stage for a week of intense gameplay, strategic maneuvering, and emotional drama. With the power of veto competition looming and alliances being tested, every house guest must think carefully about their next move. Fans can expect twists, confrontations, and unexpected shifts in power as the game moves toward its final stages. Week 9 is a testament to the unpredictability and excitement that Big Brother continues to deliver, leaving viewers eagerly anticipating the fallout from these nominations and the ultimate path to victory in Big Brother 27. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.